We'll show you some of the top battery choices for the DJI Flip in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have DJI Original Battery. Users of the DJI Flip continue to like the DJI Original Battery because of its consistent performance and easy interaction with the drone. This manufacturer-made battery is a perfect fit for the drone's features, guaranteeing seamless operation and efficient power management. Maximum flight time, 31 minutes. Prepare yourself and fly with confidence. The charging process takes 70 minutes. The charging system for the DJI Original Battery is made to be easy to use and effective. It is compatible with all of DJI's charging hubs and accessories, enabling quick recharging to extend your flying duration. Because charging is so simple, drones can be used more frequently and for longer periods of time. The DJI Original Battery is still a great option for anyone who values dependability and quality. On number 2, we have ZahoTse Battery. For DJI Flip users seeking a mix between cost and performance, the ZahoTse battery is a compelling substitute. Drone fans who want to increase their flying duration without spending a lot of money love it because of its affordable price. Intelligent self-discharge, overcharge, and discharge prevention are incorporated into DJI Flip batteries to help them avoid overheating, overcharging, or short-circuiting. In the meantime, there are no safety concerns because the batteries meet FCC, RoHS, and CE security testing criteria. In order to keep the battery safe and extend its service life, the Integrated Intelligent IC creates an innovative battery management system that offers many precautions against short-circuit, overcharge, overdischarge, overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating. Each DJI Flip battery includes 4 LED lights and a button push indicates the battery's current level. 100% the DJI Flip battery charger is compatible. The DJI Flip connects flawlessly, displays battery information like as usage and remaining time, and sounds an alert when the battery drops below 30%. These precautions guarantee a dependable and secure flying experience in addition to extending the battery's lifespan. For professional drone pilots, the battery is a reliable choice because of its sturdy construction, which is made to endure the demands of regular use. So these are some of the best batteries to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.